Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G100, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this smartphone. Start by finding clock and tap on it. Then select alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on and tap on this blue plus icon. Now set up an hour, and when you're ready, choose OK. Then click on repeat and select days of the week. I will go with Mondays only. Then choose vibrate by clicking on vibration to enable or disable it. And tap on label. Label your alarm however you wish to, tap on OK and tap on this bell icon. Now pick one of those melodies as your new alarm sound by clicking on the chosen one and going back. But you can also choose add new and pick music from your device by clicking at the top left corner over here, selecting one of those sources. I will go with downloads and tapping on the song that you wish to set up. Then go back and click on this icon over here. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. You can also adjust even more alarm settings like snooze length by clicking on those three dots at the top right corner, selecting settings, tapping on snooze length over here, picking one of those options like 30 minutes, and as you can see, now it changed. If you wish to delete your alarm though, you can click on this icon over here, pick the pin one, and now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!